Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Hilton Employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Hilton, log in, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having this URL, hilton.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here, you can see a form asking for your username and your password. Now, provide your username in the text field given for your username. Then type a password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your login credentials, you can reset it or recover it by tapping on this text, forgot your info. Now, to log into your account, simply tap on the sign in button after you're done providing your login credentials. And you'll be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.